what I noticed today, and one thing that, the one thing I noticed today is that we were walking for the parade, the joy and the happiness that saw in my daughter's eyes, and I think the thing about it is I could not ask anything better for her.
Patrick, this weekend has been incredible so far. I can't wait to marry you and continue celebrating our love. But I'm mostly excited to settle back into our home and build our life together. We have so much to look forward to. I love you so much, and I know we are going to be so happy. You make my life better. I love you, Korina.
Look here.
Yo, Patrick.
Te acepto a ti. Te acepto.
Te acepto.
Como mi esposa.
Como mi esposa. Korina, we'll have this as a piece of the perfect weekend you made happen for us. We can move it from house to house, never forgetting, because elephants never forget, the love that we share that brought us to this incredible day until one day we retire here and bring it back home. I love you with everything, Patrick.
Y amarte.
Y amarte.
Y respetarte.
Y respetarte.
Todos los días.
Todos los días.
De mi vida.
De mi
vida.
Vida.
Okay.
I, Korina, take you, Patrick,
To be my husband.
to be my husband.
I promise to be true to you.
I promise to be true to you in good times and in bad,
In sickness and in health.
in sickness and in health.
I will love you and honor you
I will love you and honor you
all the days of my life.
all the days of my life.
What God has joined, men must not divide. Ellos son marido y mujer.